So hello, my name is Nick Stewart and I'm here in the Digital Experience Centre in Manchester. On the wall behind me, we have a selection of our PC-based automation offerings. In the PC-based automation family, we have the S7-1500 Multifunction Platform, or MFP, and we also have the ET200SP Open Controller device. Now, what exactly are these devices? So what they both have in common is they're more like a desktop or laptop computer than they are a PLC. What I mean by this is at the heart of each of these devices is an Intel processor, so the same device that we'd have in our standard Windows computers. What this means is these devices can also boot into operating systems such as Windows or Linux. In the case of the device here, the MFP, we are running an S7-1500 software controller alongside a Siemens installation of Linux. On this little device down here, the Open Controller, this is also running the S7-1500 software controller, but alongside it, it is running the Windows 10 operating system. So why exactly would we want to do this? So with the Open Controller, a good example is when space would be of a premium inside a cabinet, because on this device we have a display port and we have some USB ports as well. So this means in the Windows environment we can run some WinCC runtime software through our operator interface. We can connect maybe a touch screen with a USB and a display port, and we also then have the software controller running alongside it. This means for us that in one small neat package we have our HMI and we have our PLC as well. Now, another use case example for this device would be for retrofits as an example. So I've worked with a customer recently who was migrating a legacy system that was all written in the C programming language on a QNX system. So if you were going to retrofit these sort of control systems, I guess one option would be to take that C code and rewrite it from scratch into PLC code. Or another option with a device like this is you can just take that existing PC-based programming language, compile it into something that will run in the Linux world, and then run it alongside the software PLC. So you can have your more modern interfacing done in the software PLC, and you can be running this legacy C-based code in the Linux environment on this device. So to summarize, these are great little platforms. The main use cases for them is integrating into other systems, using them in occasions where you've got things written in a higher level language that you don't want to retrofit, or in the case of this one, if you have a constrained space in the cabinet. If you'd like to learn more about PC-based automation, we have a lot of information on our website, or if you'd like to come visit us here in the room, then please reach out to your local Siemens sales representative. Thank you.